1. Health insurance is a shield that protects your well-being. 2. In the realm of health, insurance is your trusted ally. 3. A healthy future begins with securing your health insurance. 4. Don't gamble with your health. Invest in insurance. 5. Health insurance ensures that your well-being is non-negotiable. 6. Safeguarding your health is a wise investment in the future. 7. Quality healthcare is a right, not a privilege, thanks to insurance. 8. In times of need, health insurance is your safety net. 9. Health insurance offers peace of mind for your body and soul. 10. Your health is your wealth, and insurance is the vault. 11. Don't let uncertainty jeopardize your health. Secure it with insurance. 12. A stitch in time saves more than 9 when you have health insurance. 13. The greatest wealth is your health, and insurance is the guardian. 14. With insurance, your health is a treasure worth protecting. 15. Health insurance, the passport to a worry-free life. 16. A healthy heart and a strong policy, the keys to a long life. 17. Your health is your most valuable possession. Insure it wisely. 18. Invest in yourself. Invest in health insurance. 19. Health insurance is the anchor in life's uncertain seas. 20. Well-being knows no price, but insurance secures it. 21. Protect your health like your most prized possession with insurance. 22. In sickness and in health, insurance is your steadfast companion. 23. Your health is a masterpiece. Health insurance is the frame. 24. A life well lived starts with a life well insured. 25. Health insurance, the best gift you can give to your future self.